So a race recap for last Friday at Midway Speedway. That was the only race that happened last weekend for Cash Money Late Models. I got the win. We had 7 late models. Not a huge crowd, but at least there was enough to have a race. And Dylan Bates got second. And yeah, it was a close race. Dylan runs really hard, and props to him on second. But we were able to pick up the win. Car's pretty good. Track was hammered down, hooked up, and you just had to go a lot harder than I wanted to. But we were able to hang on and keep it going the right direction. Hey guys, it's Monday night. We're getting started for the week of maintenance and repairs and getting tires ready. We have a little quarter panel report. It's not much of a dent, but it is a dent. The car got washed on Saturday and put on jack stand Sunday. Mounted 2 tires, but there's some grinding to do and maybe a little more tire work. But yeah, other than that, no damage otherwise this week. She's getting some wear, but no major damage. Gonna hammer on this quarter panel a little. Does anybody see a common trend here? The right rear quarter panel is always dented a little, but very minor. So maintenance consists of bolt checking. I'll check fluids before I even leave the shop to go back to the track, but clean. I got a rewashable air filter on my motor. Got filters on my oil tank, my valve cover. I don't do them every week, but every so often when they get bad, I do them. But air cleaner I do every couple races for sure. And training fluid every 3 or 4 weekends, maybe after something's broken, if you know it's okay. But also this week we're putting new brake pads on the back. So we plan to do that. I mean, there's something you don't do all the time. So it's just kind of keeping track of them and trying to keep my rotors from wearing out because they're hard to find and that stuff's expensive. So just trying to make it last and get through the season here. Does anybody out there want some outdated seat belts out of my car? Maybe if you have a go-kart or a dune buggy or something, that it don't matter, but they're outdated. But if you want them, you can have them if you can get to me to get them. Hey guys, it's Wednesday night. I'm working on my trailer brake. I've had no rear trailer brake lights or turn signals for the last few weeks going across town. People have told me, so yeah, thought I'd better get those fixed before I travel some. If anybody sees my 916 socket, I'm looking for it. Please return it home. I need it. here of race week in the shop here at the 4A headquarters. We are going to try a stoppie on the 24-inch BMX bike to see if we can do a better one than last week. I was dragging tonight. Things weren't too motivating to myself, but I got cheered up and revved up, and here we are. Don't give up. That's my advice. Don't give up. Go for it, and life will be great. So rock on. Oh! We are loading up. Charlie is hooking the car. Jake has been overseeing all the heavy duties of the 4A racing. It's hot, eh?
It's really hot.
It's pretty hot, man.
It's like,
whoa!
it's like,
we're managing. We got tires mounted, tires unmounted. We've got junk.
oh, you just pulled, okay.
Don't forget the pit mat. I need another pit mat. Set this here so we don't forget it. Don't forget to air the trailer tire up that goes flat every week, kind of. Move this block here so we can get rolled on. Car's ready to rock and roll if I can drive her. Looks great. You guys did good hooking it up. Stand for the flag. Oh, go right, go right, go right. Go right.
Any more right?
You can do whatever now.
Oh, that's awesome.
What? No, here, I'll get it, but no, I should
Here,
be.
pull that tight.
Here.
Pull the way tight.
Hey, I got it. I mean, it's okay if it hits a little. Well, we don't rip the nose off. Letting the kids do this all by themselves. Young adults. Seeing how they're doing. Hey!
Hi, Dusty.
Hi, Matt.
All right, so
What's
we got Dusty, we got Jake, we got Charlie, and me. I'd like to see what you can do if you start better than 14th.
So would I.
Because at Springfield you went 14th to 3rd.
Yeah, so would I. We just got to get tuned up and tuned in. And
Do you have any idea on gear and all that?
man, I'm going to run the same as Midway right now.
To start for hot laps?
Just from people I've asked.
Have you asked
They
a
said
few?
something close to that. So they say it's the same, if not a touch bigger, which
Have you ever been here?
no,
I haven't either.
I haven't either. So it'll be exciting for everybody.
Yeah,
Did they hit an oncoming car?
Probably.
Out of that road?
probably.
Or could have pulled out right there and hit something.
So update, we just saw our first crash of the night and it wasn't even on a racetrack. There's construction back there and it's a one-lane road and it looks like a couple cars hit head on, but we are now on Highway 65 heading towards Sedalia.
We also saw a guy in the back of a pickup holding a bunch of inner tubes and floating tubes down near Bennett Springs, Missouri. So, yeah.
He looked a little bit, he looked like he's been drinking a little bit today, which is,
But, yeah,
we're good with that.
we missed that, but maybe we'll get that, you know, something like that next time on video. But
Part of the process. And when we stopped, we did check the straps. Everything's good back there. So this is a lot farther than we normally go to race.
yeah, we race within an hour a lot, typically.
Yeah, usually within an hour. And this is about, what is it all together? 2 hours and 20
yeah,
minutes?
About 2.5 hours.
About almost 2.5.
Yeah, I think it was like 2:19 from my house, but the 09 Chevy is trucking along just fine.
The old air's
Don't let us
cold.
down.
It's 2:46.
PM.
PM. Clearly, it's daylight.
I hope it's
No, hey, it'll be about that time when we get home.
Well, none of the wheels have fell off the trailer or anything yet.
That we know of.
Don't say that. Remember what happened with the
I'm sure we have trailer brakes.
Remember what happened when we had
the way we stopped at Sedalia there? I don't think we do.
I don't think we do. It don't feel like we do. Yeah, that way.
Remember what happened with that?
So we can hit this truck stop and then we'll just keep going on this road to the track.
Jake brakes.
Car's still there?
Swinger wide.
That old car. Dang.
Oh, is this one out? Dear God. Are they all out on this side? Down there they're not. I guess we can go back if we have to.
Try that one. 7.
No, you're good.
That one's good.
Okay. I got it.
Okay.
Okay.
Peace.
Hey.
Hey, there's Landon. How'd he get behind us?
More outlaws.
He must have stopped somewhere.
I bet they stopped an 8 or something.
Yeah. 100%. What?
I was still mad.
You're not gonna say it?
No.
Why?
On body, about done.
You know what we need? We need a group chat with you, me, Jake, and Dusty.
Yeah.
That's what we need.
I'm out.
Y'all straps aren't tight.
Hey, you guys from around here?
No?
No, we're not.
All right, so we're in Warrensburg-ish at a break time. Landon and the boys showed up. I think we all had the same idea. Get something to eat and drink before we get to the track and fill the trucks up because we don't have enough fuel to get back home. So better to fill them up now than 2 o'clock in the morning. There's the double lock car. That guy's pretty cool. That stuff's pretty cool.
This thing's got a filter in it, not a heat.
It's got treads.
Slow and easy. But the good news is you'll have 13 hours of run time.
Yeah.
You guys good?
Yep.
Let's go. All right. Well, we made it. Central Missouri Speedway. Pits are okay. Kind of a muddy mess up there. But we're going to take a look at the track. Ready?
Yeah. There's my cheaters rig.
No trailer?
Yep.
The car's in the box?
Yep. I like it.